do to this family, but if it's the only real choice we have, if it's either that or you getting shot when you open your front door, you're not some hardened criminal. You are school teacher, cancer, desperate for money, roped into working for, unable to even quit.
We gon' hell it when we swing these doors, you better not panic. Little bitch, you reckless, caught his car when we blew down his traffic. Fuck all this rap shit in real life, we really fuck a rap shit. I got my first move, got it off and I've been in the trap since. Widow dead ain't coming back, they frothing like a catfish. And ain't no get back after Mike, they must be scared to do it. I put my chin right in his face cause he was on some fool shit. That boy just tapping all his raps, bro, let us hear some true shit. They say Spank, I heard your song, you gon' drop some new shit. Well, that's your bitch, she on me bad and I ain't have to do shit. Walk down they blocks from left to right, I'm tryna spot a new Vic. Don't walk up on me tryna check me, you gon' hit his blue switch. When it's low, you get found. Get that water, drench him down. The gift kid is mine now. How you feel? The Jews a clown. I had a platinum walk you there. Tell my thick bitch turn around, clap from the back just for the sound. Hit the phone, you fiend for perks. I don't know shit about no pound. Before he feel, he spit around. Next time I'm running up, flip it down. When I was little young, I caught the crowd, had brothers running, back it down. And all that tough shit like no slide, ain't got no fire. After clown, what's up? But drop it down right now. I'm on the block with 50 rounds. I keep my strap, it's on me now. Wherever I go, bitch, it go down. Real dead, they missing now. You bring them up, watch for them smile. Catch a op, bitch, knock it out, bitch. Keep my name from my toe, mouth on slide. When I say make it count, we can't do put two niggas down. I'm taking rats in, chasing niggas, don't like you never know who around. Mala, I bitch, big as fuck, I'll pick her up just to stick her down. Drop off, pick up through joints, they on me now just to spin a town. Bitch, we gon' hell it when we swing these doors, you better not panic. Little bitch, you reckless, caught his car when we blew down his traffic. Fuck all this rap shit in real life, we really fuck a rap shit. I got my first move, got it off and I've been in the trap since. Widow dead ain't coming back, they frothing like a catfish. And ain't no get back after Mike, they must be scared to do it. I put my chin right in his face cause he was on some fool shit. That boy just tapping all his raps, bro, let us hear some true shit. They say Spank, I heard your song, you gon' drop some new shit. Well, that's your bitch, she on me bad and I ain't have to do shit. Walk down they blocks from left to right, I'm tryna spot a new Vic. Don't walk up on me tryna check me, you gon' hit his blue switch. When it's low, you get found. Get that water, drench him down. The gift kid is mine now. How you feel? The Jews a clown. I had a platinum walk you there. Tell my thick bitch turn around, clap from the back just for the sound. Hit the phone, you fiend for perks. I don't know shit about no pound. Before he feel, he spit around. Next time I'm running up, flip it down. When I was little young, I caught the crowd, had brothers running, back it down. And all that tough shit like no slide, ain't got no fire. After clown, what's up? But drop it down right now. I'm on the block with 50 rounds. I keep my strap, it's on me now. Wherever I go, bitch, it go down. Widow dead, they missing now. You bring them up, watch for them smile.